Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. And today is Monday. Today is Monday, 2022, 15 August. And we are here in How to Live Trade Forex today with our trading plan. All right. So in this session, we are going to pick up some of the currency pairs with potential for us to trade, for us to focus in trading today. All right. So today, yes, as we know that today we have Euro is on holiday, so we may experience some low volume. Well, nevertheless, we will need to check. Okay, what are the currency pairs that's good for us to trade for today? All right. So yes, so let's move on again. Okay. Hi Hubert, nice to see you here. All right, Aiden, nice to see you here. Trinette, Fab, 你们好. Alright, so hey Bradley, I hope you enjoy your weekend. Alright, okay, so yes, let's come along. Alright, so come along with this Aussie Cat MT4, please. Alright, yes, okay. So yes, we are back here again. Yeah, one fresh new week. Reset our mind again. Alright, so that we have a very clear, fresh mind on what we going to trade. Alright, okay. Excuse myself for Mandarin. Alright, 今天晚上8点钟在北京时间，我们呢会在这个中文台啊，我们会有一个直播。那么我也会在线上跟大家一起分析和做一点计划。那么呢，我们来看一下今天晚上在这个纽约市场呢，我们有什么可以交易的，好不好？好了，那么现在目前呢，我们在这个时段里面，我们就要筛选出来一些货币对，让我们呢可以关注和交易的，好不好？好了，那么今天晚上呢，就希望能看到一些中文说能听得懂中文的朋友们，都能在线上跟我们一起在分析交易啊。OK， 好了，那么非常感谢大家，我们现在开始啦。All right, so let's come back here in English. All right, my comfortable language. Okay, so this case over here, right, what we are going to take a look here over here is that right now, okay, something here we are going to see, right? So these are the one that we are going to focus, and how are we going to focus on that? Okay, all right. Okay, so that's nice. All right, so let's see. Aussie Cat. Okay, Aussie Cat. Aussie Cat over here, right? Today, we have been identifying it as a bull since mid of July until today. It's still running on the bull. So buyers, I hope you have got your profits there, and I think this is quite a good one. Okay, so yes, let's continue. All right, so for Aussie Cat, we can only go for buy, no selling. All right. Okay, how about Aussie Franc? Aussie Franc, we are also in the bull, so the bull is going to start running very soon. All right, so tentatively what we are going to do is that buyers can take note, but sellers like me have to stay away. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I guess there's some distortion, am I right? Okay, so I hope that the distortion will not last long. Okay, so guys, bear with me. All right, thank you so much for your understanding. Okay, so let's move on over here in our Aussie yen. Okay, the distortion is still ongoing. I'm not sure whether it will be okay right now. I hope it is actually going good. Oh no. Okay. Let's hope everything is okay. All right. So let me have a sound test. All right, guys. Okay, stay with me. All right. So let me have a sound test. Let me check. Okay. Let me check if it's running. Is still running okay. Okay. I think it's back here. All right. So let's quickly before the distortion comes back again. Okay. Yeah. And let me see. Okay, today in Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen over here. Aussie yen. All right, today we have actually last week we see that the Aussie yen has actually escalating, right? Escalating to the resistance over this point, like this level here. And hey, what is wrong, man? Okay, the distortion is a bit prolonging too long. Okay, it's a bit okay. Let me check. Okay, let me see. Oh no, this is not really good. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. This distortion is no good. Right, so let me check. Sorry guys, I'm very sorry about it. Okay, let me continue with Aussie yen to check if there's any sound distortion. All right, so over at this point here, okay, let's see. Over here, for Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen over here is actually now today is hitting on the bear and turning downwards again. All right, so I think this is something that we can actually focus. All right, somehow rather we have one resistance up here. Okay, but then again is that, right, we are now having this level of support here, so we just need to take note. Okay, I'll prefer to wait for this H1, okay, to break the support here. Can you see the support over here? All right, after breaking the support, retest, then we can go for a selling. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna rush a bit, okay, just in case the distortion is really bad, okay, and there's discomfort for your viewing. Okay, all right, so yes, then Aussie Kiwi over here. Aussie Kiwi, we are still tentatively in the bull and hitting on the support, starting the bull run from the support. So definitely it is not something good for us for sellers, but for buyers, is it good for you? I would say that not really as well, because the support is actually quite the resistance is also quite near, which is running about 20 pips of space only. So currently, I don't think it is good for both. All right, so we shall skip this. All right, Aussie dollar, we are in the bull. We are running up onto the bull right now. So the Aussie dollar, will there be a chance for selling or any buying opportunity? I would say that buying is more recommended over here. And as we can see, we are very near to the support. All right, so Aussie dollar, it is still good to go for a buy, all right, rather than the selling. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie today, since last week we are hit on the support, and today we are moving to the north from the support. So currently, I wouldn't suggest a selling. All right, buyers, you can take note. Okay, buyers can take note, because actually right now it is actually moving towards the north, and currently we still have about 50 pips for buying. All right, so I think it's still very good. Okay, so next to go, EUROCAD over here, we are actually tested the resistance, come back here to the support. So today we are in the bull, hitting on the support, which is no good. All right, so this is no good for seller, but it's very good for the buyers. Buyers, we are starting to move to the bull. Okay, so you can take note, okay, for buyers. All right, so for Euro Yen, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, we are in the bear. Okay, seems like we are having a double top here, lower and lower resistance. Okay, so this is something good over here. Okay, hi Deepak Rana, right? So yeah, gold. Okay, just give me a little while. I'll come to gold later on. All right, so Euro Yen, okay, tentatively we are on the support over here. As we can see, it's very clear. The support is actually down here. So what we are going to do is that the resistance is still up there, all right, over at this point here. So currently, okay, one thing over for Euro Yen, I'll be looking out for selling once it break the support, okay, and retest the support once again, then we will have a good chance to sell. All right. So at this point here, yep, I'm going to put Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay. Yep, and then we can move on. Euro Kiwi. Yep, Euro Kiwi. Now actually we are coming into the bear. However, today the bear has retraced a little bit upwards and to look out for resistance for selling. So today is actually more on to the resistance retracement trading. So tentatively, I won't be touching it as long as it is not breaking towards the resistance over here. Okay, I'll wait for it to touch the resistance before I start selling. Okay, that's for Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi, I'm going to skip for selling. All right, for Euro Dollar, let's take a look at Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar, we are now in just nice into the bull. Okay, but then again, is that now is actually right on the support over here, and the resistance is still quite high up. Okay, so currently, currently for Euro Dollar, it will still be good that if we are going to stay put because the bull is on the support, very highly likely it's going to retrace and go for to look out for a higher resistance. Okay, so tentatively stay away from Euro Dollar for selling. Okay, for buying, okay, Euro Dollar, you can go ahead. All right. For Pound Aussie, same thing. We hit on the support. Okay, so today we are on the support right now. It is good to buy. It is no good to sell. Okay, so tentatively for Pound Aussie, the resistance is still very high up. Okay, we still have quite a good space of 85 pips to go. So Pound Aussie is good to buy. No for selling. All right. Okay, Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD, we have escalated and now coming back for retesting. And are we still in the bear? Yes, we are still in the bear. But then again, is that we just need to take note. Is it a good time for us to sell? Well, Pound CAD, it is not a very good one to sell at the moment. Okay, it is not a very good one to sell at the moment because we are on the support. As we can see, the support still remains the same. This is a false breakout and there is no for any chance for selling. Okay, tentatively, I will skip this. Right, Pound franc. Let's take a look at Pound franc. Well, Pound franc, we have managed to break the resistance since last Friday. Okay, we have chosen Pound franc to sell last Friday. And now last Friday was created a new support over at this area here. And then it retested once and it's not breaking. So in this case, what are we going to look out for? The resistance over here. The resistance over here, okay, then it looks like it is going to touch the resistance to come back for a selling, or it may break and go for a buying. So it may be going either way. So for this case, all right, it's best that we need to have a clear direction. If it breaks above the resistance, to have a retesting and then coming for a buying, yes, then we can go for a buy. Alternatively, if it actually touches the resistance without breaking, then it comes back, then we can scalp along the way until it breaks the support. Then after retest the support as a resistance, then we will start selling. So we are in the middle of nowhere, am I right? So in this case, Pound franc, I'm going to skip today, all right? Well, but you can still pay attention to that if you are a fan of Pound franc. Okay, so Pound yen. Let's take a look at Pound yen. Well, Pound yen over at this point here, I will say that in this area of in this area of bear, we have tested once last week and it has a very nice drop. Okay, so now it's actually coming back, a retracement, but still creating a lower resistance. So at this point here, I will say that this point here, we are still checking out with this resistance over here, right? You can started to see as it is a retesting, then come back here to form a trending market. So that means to say I'm still good for selling. All right, so in this case, we will take a look here. In this resistance, created a lower resistance during the fall, and another lower resistance created during the fall. Once again, it continued the running for the bear. Then in this case, well, I will say that the selling is possible. However, we are on the support over here. So I will wait for this to break the support, all right, then retest it as a resistance, then I will continue the selling. Okay, so yeah, it may be coming back for a retesting on a whole area here. Okay, so this is something that we can take a look. All right, so over at this point here, this is the lowest of the week, lowest of last week, and now it seems like we are going to break through. Today is the beginning of the week, so it may be looking out for a selling in this case. All right, so Pound yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list today. Okay, so Yes, and also we know that we have read the news that all the Aussie yen, Euro yen, Pound yen all related. Yeah, because I think yen is actually growing strong because of the economy growth, which is announced this week. So this week we have a lot of announcement for the economy growth. All right, so the economy status. So guys, you can pay attention to the movement. Okay, so yep, it's Pound Kiwi. Let's take a look at Pound Kiwi. So Pound Kiwi last week we have already started to sell down all the way, and it is still running very strong with the support on it. So it touches the support. Are we continue to sell? Well, last week it may be selling. This week may not be. Okay, it may not be selling anymore because we actually touches one of the support over here, and now it has now going for a bull. So tentatively it's moving upwards, but the resistance is still quite far away. We still have about 50 pips to 60 pips. Okay, so this is something over here that we can pay attention for buyers, but sellers we can just stay away. All right. Okay. Hi, Sawadee krap, 168. Nice to see you here. Okay, so pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar over at this point here, we can see that in the whole, if I'm going to zoom out, okay, the whole of the trend, it seems like it's running on the bear. So there's a bear reversal over here. Will that be coming back for a retesting? Okay, which previously I'm actually looking at about selling. All right, since last week we have a good one for selling on pound dollar. That's okay, and also on the last Friday we have a very good closing on for pound dollar that give us a very good profit. And now are we continue to run on this? Okay, so so tentatively, okay, I will still see that now the bear coming into the bull to reverse. There's a reversal, but it is not breaking above the resistance above here. So tentatively, you don't see the resistance. I mean, you see the resistance, correct? Okay, the resistance was here. Okay, and it tested once, tested twice. It's coming back here. So now we are actually going to test on the support. So let's take a look. What are the situation from the resistance? After there's one news, okay, impact and tested on the resistance, and it is still not doing any good for the movement towards this pound dollar. So seems like it's creating another downward trend, okay, into the support over here. Okay, so the support over here, okay, let me delete this and move this down here. All right, so tentatively, we are very near to the support level over at this point. Will there be a chance that it's going to sell? Well, probably it may. However, that we can give a check. Okay, so over here, this is the resistance, has been tested early in the morning. It started to sell. So will there be a chance to sell? Yes, there may be a chance to sell. However, okay, we just need to pay attention. Right, we need to pay attention to where is it going to sell. All right, so I'm looking out for the support. I will be looking out for a support level first. Okay, let's see. One should be around here. Okay, yeah. Okay, the support should be around here. Yep. Okay. I'm sorry for the mic. I'm very sorry for the mic, but guys, please hang on with me. Okay. All right. So over here, we break the support, we test the support, then we will go for a selling. All right. So definitely, I'll be looking out for this area. Right. Retest, then I will be going for a selling over here. All right. So we have about 45 pips to go. Okay. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm sorry for the microphone, the sound, not the microphone issue. Okay. I will give the credit to this microphone, but I'm very sorry for the sound. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll try to fix it later on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Eduardo. Nice to see you here. Right. And now I will be putting this pound dollar. Okay, over here, all right, let me check. Oh, I'm not sure what's going on, but hopefully things is actually going well. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list over here. So let's see dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD, we are still in the bear, but however, by looking at dollar CAD, okay, we are actually having some retracement today. So today we are having a retracement in the bear market. So tentatively, I would suggest that we are not going to sell, but this is good for buying. All right, dollar CAD is at a buy at support good. A buy at support good. Okay, let's see. All right. Tentatively, by looking at dollar CAD, okay, we are actually looking out for one resistance up here. All right, so dollar CAD buying is still possible. Okay, it is still possible. However, if we are looking out for this, please take note of the resistance level over here. If we want to buy right now, okay, I would suggest it is no. Okay, right, but then I would suggest, all right, that you can wait for it to break the resistance, retest again, then we go for buy. All right, okay. Okay, hi Amil, nice to see you here. Namaste, nice to see you here. Right, okay, so yep, and for euro dollar, what can I do, sell or buy? Euro dollar looking for a buy. Today euro dollar is still looking for a buy. We are now very near to the support. Okay, so tentatively, if it's not breaking, then right now over here, if it's not breaking, then after that we form up a buy, then we continue the buying. All right, the resistance is actually over here, so we still have about 20 over pips to go. Okay, it is still good for buying right now. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Let me. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, last week everything was okay, but I'm not sure what's like terrible now. It's terrible. Okay, so let me try this out. Okay. Okay, I hope it is okay by doing this. All right. I'm very sorry, guys. Okay, for the distortion over here. All right. So yep, and let's see what do I have here. Okay. Okay. So for dollar franc tentatively, by looking at dollar franc, I'm also looking out for a buy today. All right. So dollar franc is also looking out for a buy today. So tentatively, sellers, we have to stay away. Okay, for buying, right now we should be looking about here, the resistance. Okay, the resistance over here. So for buyers, if you want to buy on the dollar franc, you have 20 pips of space, which you have to be very careful as well. Okay, all right. Okay, so for dollar yen, let's take a look at dollar yen. Right, dollar yen over here. Well, dollar yen today, since last week we have tested on the support over at this point here. You can see over at this level. Okay, that's the one support over here. So tentatively, I will still be looking at it is in the bear. We are still in the bear. All right, we are still in the bear. However, by looking at this today, will there be a chance that it's going to sell? Probably. Okay, probably. All right, but this for dollar yen is it's a 50-50. It can go either way, either buy or either sell. All right. So currently, I will suggest that we can monitor first. All right, don't get into the trade for dollar yen so fast. All right. Okay, so let's go Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin, we are on the 24 mark, 24.8. So currently, I think this is still, we are still escalating. I'm still looking out for about 26. All right, 26. So after it tested the 23 mark, over here, seems like it is not breaking downwards anymore. And more supports are coming in as we can read the news. If we had read the news is actually coming in to more onto a crypto. All right. Of course, over right now, is it good to buy for a long term? This price is definitely not a price that I will be looking out for. All right. So, but then again, is that if you are looking for a short term, yes, yep, you can go for it. And because at the moment, if you are looking at this point here, all right, buying of the Bitcoin to 26.7 is still very possible. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's move again to gold trading over this point here. Well, the gold trading, let's see. The gold, well, we have our target was 1812. It has reaches to the peak of this 18.7, and now today we have go up the last Friday until now. We have went up to 1801. Okay, 1801. So 1801, yeah, seems like it is still going, right? Am I right? Okay, so it is coming back to retest the 1788. Okay, so 1788 is a very crucial price mark over here. As we can see, it has been tested to sell down, but it is still not going anywhere. So tentatively, I am still looking out for 1812. All right, so I will be waiting for the price to come in to 1788. Then I will go for a buy where I target at 1812. All right, 1812. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's for gold today. If you are selling, you can have short term because right now, as of now, to the support over here, we have only about 43.2. We only have 43.2. So at this point, I would suggest that you can scalp along the way until it hits the level of 1788. Then a buy is possible. All right. Okay. So yeah. So I guess that should be all for now. All right. Okay. So just now what we are talking about, we have Aussie yen. All right. Then we have Euro yen. Right. We have pound yen. Okay. And we also have pound dollar. All right. As for dollar wise, we can just take note. Okay. This may not be a good time for dollar yen to sell or to buy. We need to pay more attention to that before we can actually confirm. Okay, we can confirm. All right. If not, no first. All right, because it is still not very clear. So it is still good that we can still stay away first. Okay, just stay away first. Probably we can wait for this second half in the New York session. Okay. All right. Okay, so guys, that's all for now, and I would like to apologize for the sound just now, the distortion. Okay, so yeah, I hope later on in my London session, when I'm going to have live trading with all of you, yeah, that everything should go fine. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I shall see you later in the London hour. All right, so remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation for the videos behind. Okay, so over here. Then, yep, once again, excuse myself into a Mandarin. Alright, so 今天晚上，我们一样还是会在晚上8点，在这个北京时间晚上8点钟，然后我们会在这个线上跟大家一起分析和计划这个交易。那么呢是也是在中文台 ，OK， 那么大家呢都尽量在这个8点钟可以出席，好不好？好了，那么就晚上见吧。Alright, so I shall see you later on in the UK session. Okay, and shall see you later. Thank you so much, guys, for coming in. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Shall see you again.